Hello all. Welcome to our channel. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. And our current topic is:
do not do these 3 things after making love, especially for women. Using soap to clean body parts from the face to the toes is mandatory to maintain skin cleanliness. Not only used to wipe germs that stick after a day of activity, for some people cleaning the body with soap after making love is important. Sweat that mixes and clings to the skin certainly makes it uncomfortable to take sleep, especially when making love is very intense. However, according to experts, if you want to keep the female part in good health after sex, then you should avoid using soap and pay attention to 2 other things. Gynecologist in Kansas, Leslie E.F. Page tells Women's Health that sexual intercourse can change the reaction of tissue to the female part. The use of post-fuck soap also has a bad impact. When vaginal tissue is lubricated, swollen, and rubbed during sexual intercourse, the surrounding tissue reacts. This means that the risk of infection is greater, said Page, as quoted by The Independent. Therefore, he also suggested that women pay attention to 3 things that must be avoided after having a passionate sexual relationship. These 3 things include: Number 1. Weaving. If you feel the need to refresh your body after making love, make sure you don't use soap. Although using soap sounds like a good way, but weaving in the female part is actually vulnerable to dangerous, rather than the good side. Not only can it trigger an allergic reaction in the skin due to chemicals in the cleanser, but the use of soap can cause vaginal irritation and dryness. Number 2. Forgot urinating. At the time of intercourse, researchers found an opportunity for bacteria to enter the bladder. Therefore, before you enjoy sleeping in a partner's arms, you should first empty your bladder 1 hour after sex. Number 3. Soak in hot water. Soaking in soap bubbles might sound like perfect post-love making activity, but it turns out that it is very bad for your femininity. Jumping in a hot tub with your partner is the same as letting your skin get bacteria that are carried by the skin and anus. In addition, very much water exposure in the body can block the antimicrobial efficiency of the skin. When the vulva expands because you get sexual stimulation, then at that moment you open up greater opportunities for infection, said Page. Well, that's the 3 forbidden things after making love for women. Really cool information, isn't it? Leave us a comment down below and let us know what your thought of this video. Don't forget to give us account subs and watch more amazing videos on our channel. Thanks for watching.